everybody, it's me, Blue. So, I think I sound better than last video. Even though I know I still sound super weird, I think I sound better, and I'm the one wearing the retainer, so, you know. And the second thing is, Thanksgiving is coming up. By the way, I won't be here next week. I'll be having Thanksgiving with my daddy. But I hope you guys have a great Thanksgiving. Anyway, when Thanksgiving passes, it's all about Christmas, everywhere, everything. And I can't let Thanksgiving pass without doing a pumpkin spice something. So today, I'm going to show you how to make a pumpkin spice white hot chocolate. Let's get started. First, you'll need white chocolate chips, milk, pumpkin puree. You'll also need measuring spoons, measuring cups, something to mix it with, you know, those type of cooking stuff. Pumpkin spice, whipped cream, and a saucepan. The first step is to scoop 2 tablespoons of pumpkin puree and put it in your saucepan. Next, add 1 cup of milk and 3 shakes of pumpkin spice. After that, put your mixture on medium heat, and once it's a little warm, add 1/4 cup of white chocolate chips. Keep stirring until all your white chocolate chips are melted. Now add your whipped cream and a little more pumpkin spice on top. So you shouldn't actually put your hot chocolate in a glass because glass gets super hot. I just put it in a glass so that you can see how it looks, but I have my trusty oven mitt so I can tell you how it tastes for you guys. That tastes so good. Wait, do I have whipped cream on my face? That tastes like the fall season. Now it's time for the holidays! If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to share with all of your friends, and have a nice Thanksgiving. Bye!